Have you ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? You see someone yawn, and without thinking, your body copies it instantly. Most people believe yawning means you are tired, but that is not the whole story. Scientists now think yawning is actually a social signal. Your brain copies another person's yawn to show empathy and connection. It is your mind's way of saying, I am with you, and I understand your state. Even animals like dogs and monkeys catch yawns from each other. The wild part is that nobody fully knows why this happens, but it might be one of the oldest forms of communication in humans. So if you yawned while watching this, now you know why. Like and subscribe.